Life.ATV, boys.
Yo, what up guys? Danny and Cody here from Life.ATV.
How's it going?
And today we're bringing you a new video, and it's kind of a different video. First off, we got the Raptor as always, but new addition goes right in the EX.
She has been out a little bit.
Yep.
And nice to get her legs running.
Yep. And the last week it's been kind of raining off and on here quite a bit, so the trails are pretty muddy. So as you can see, we're going to be doing some road running. We're going to go to the nearby town. Right. And kind of check it out. They have like a dam and stuff we were going to try to find, and we're just gonna kind of spice it up, do something new, right bud?
That's right.
All right guys, we'll see you GoPro mode. So guys, we're at our first stop, London, Minnesota. This ain't the town we're going to, but Coach just GPSing it for us.
That's right.
So we know where we're going. Man, how's the 400EX feeling so far?
She feels great.
She's probably a good cruiser on just straight roads like this, huh?
It's a good trail quad too.
Big question, how's the new tires holding up?
Hopefully solid.
They feel solid?
Yes, sir.
So you guys might recognize these tires. They're the stock ones that come on Raptor 700s right here, which I upgraded to GBC XC Master tires. And I love them with all the wheels. So I gave these to the old man and he stuck them on his 400EX. So far running good.
And it looks like to the first right, they're on that road.
For a minute.
And for a little bit, then we take the first
left?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what will that bring up the solid road? You know what I mean?
I have no idea. I think. Better be. made it.
We made it, guys. We made it to where we were going. This little park off the town of, what's it called? Otranto?
Otranto.
Yeah. Stupid us, we took the wrong turn, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
We were literally so close to it. Let's go check out the water. Water's actually pretty high here from all the rain we've been getting lately. Seems like the rain does not stop, does it?
It's supposed to rain later tonight too, so.
It's literally killing riding season right now, but we're trying to make the most of it and bring out content.
That's right.
Yo, boys, thanks for watching. Danny here and Code from Life.ATV. No, it was kind of more of a boring video. I wouldn't say boring, but it's not. You guys, nothing action-packed.
Nothing like we usually do.
Yeah, on the trails or anything, but it's just so crappy out. Not right now, but it is gonna rain. It's been raining all week that we just wanted to get a video out for you guys. And big things coming. South Dakota. We're heading up there with the boys for a trip, so I'll have multiple videos on that in a couple weeks. Possibly vid next week, possibly not. I'm actually getting married. Code Man's my best man.
Yep.
So that's kind of nerve-wracking, but you know, we might ride next weekend, we might not. I don't know. We'll see where it falls on the
Pretty busy
priority.
next weekend.
So we'll see. But anyway, see you guys later.